German fruit flan, also known as Obsttorte, is a delicious light cake that can be made from start to serving in less than 1 hour. This is why this quick cake is a go-to recipe in Germany when unannounced visitors ring the doorbell in the afternoon. If you have ever visited Germany, you probably have noticed that cake is a must for many people at the famous German coffee hour at 4 p.m. The recipe that I will show you in this video is the very quick and easy version of a German fruit flan and consists of a sponge cake layer that is topped with a simple buttercream and fresh berries, like my mom always made it. Alternatively, you can top the cake bottom with the creamy vanilla pudding pastry cream that I link for you in the corner, and you even can use canned fruit instead of fresh one. Let me show you the ingredients, and as always, you can find the link to the printable recipe with more tips in the video description. For the cake base, you will need 4 eggs, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 2/3 of a cup of flour. I already blended in 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder to the flour, and you will need 9 tablespoons of neutral vegetable oil or melted butter. For the toppings, you need a stick of butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and fruit. I chose fresh strawberries and blueberries in this video. Start by adding room temperature eggs and sugar to a mixing bowl and beat until light and fluffy. This will take a few minutes, so in the meantime you can grease your fruit tart pan. If you don't have a tart pan, it doesn't matter, you can use a normal round pan. When the egg-sugar mixture is light and fluffy, pour in the oil or the melted butter and mix well. Then sieve the flour and baking powder to the mixture and carefully blend it together. You can do this by hand or on the lowest setting with your stand mixer. Add the cake batter to the greased baking pan and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. In the meantime, you can prep the toppings. Add soft butter to a bowl and mix to a smooth texture. Then sift the powdered sugar on top and mix until smooth and silky. Wash your fruit and remove the stems or drain canned fruit. If you use canned fruit, reserve the liquid for the fruit glaze. Allow your cake to cool completely and then spread the buttercream evenly on top. Place your prepared fruit onto the buttercream. Prepare the glaze, which is called Toppings in German, according to the package instructions, or make your own homemade fruit flan glaze with the recipe that you can find in the video description. Carefully cover all fruit with the lukewarm glaze and allow to cool completely. This only takes a couple of minutes. Serve with a generous dollop of whipped cream and enjoy with your favorite beverage. Guten Appetit!